So for this presentation, I would like to download a file, and I have the link over here. So simple enough, right? wget. Right, so I do not have wget installed. Should I maybe install it? I do not have the root password. Let's try to download it with curl instead. Right, that should work. Malformed URL. I have a white space in it, so I need to decode it. And now it should work. There's the URL is redirecting somewhere else, so I need some parameters for that. Let's check the man page. That should be location, so dash capital L location. But also, it's not saving as a file, so I need something to find out what is the file name for that. So maybe, I think it's something like remote name, -o, let's see, the remote name. Where's the entry for that? In the man page. There we go. Write output to local file, so it gets the file name. All right, so let's try it again. This time, I'm using -L and -O, and okay, now it worked. So that's supposed to be a man page, and requested URL not found. What happened here? I think, oh yeah, mistyped the URL, so that file doesn't exist. It still downloaded it, even though there's an issue. There is a flag for that, so there is a curl flag that I can use for that as well, which makes the command error out when this happens. But I can forget all of this, and instead I can just copy let me try to copy this properly. There's the original link, and I can use wcurl, and then let's check. wcurl.1. Oh, I need a / over here. And it's there. So wcurl is a simple wrapper around curl. Thank you. It is a very simple thing. It's just this shell script that we are shipping on the curl package on Debian, and it allows you to use curl to download files without having to remember any parameters, right? So it has a few nice features that are listed here, so you can get parallel downloads by default, a few other things like retries, and we have some examples here at the bottom of the man page. Yeah, it's just wcurl URL, and then if you give 2 URLs, you download 2 different things. So this is available on Debian Unstable and testing, and I have nothing against wget. I do like wget. In any case, if you're not running unstable or testing, you can still download wcurl by using wget, and then you download the script into your machine. Thank you.
Thank you, Samuel.